Okay, to replace the actuator for the chair, you'll want to have access to the complete bottom. So you'll lay it down, and with the 7/16, you'll go ahead and take it off the motor. Then that allows you to take the motor out, or the actuator out. You would need to clip some little wire ties to get the wires loose, but after that, the motor can go out. Then to put it back in, just go ahead and line it back up. I always just run them in with my fingers and just snug them. Don't run them all the way in completely, because you will have to fine-tune, adjust them. Then to get these in on the footrest area of the motor, sometimes it's a little difficult, so you want to be able to push this out so you can get the line up and then just rock it back towards you and then just start running them in. Now I go through and snug it up the rest of the way. Then you're done.